Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the file. Normalize levels and remove hiss because cleaner audio yields fewer transcription errors. Once the track is normalized, export as WAV or FLAC to preserve fidelity. Then, upload to your chosen transcription engine or import into your manual editor. Make sure to select language, accent models, and timestamp options before you run the first pass. This initial transcription gives you a baseline transcript to correct and segment in the next step. Once you have the raw transcript, work in short passes. Focus on 5 to 15-second segments so you catch context and reduce fatigue. Use speaker labeling and timestamps to anchor edits. That helps later when syncing or producing captions. Correct homophones, add punctuation, and standardize terminology. This improves readability and searchability. If a phrase is unclear, replay at slower speed or zoom in on the waveform. Make iterative passes, content, punctuation, then style. You finish by running a comprehensive proofread and checking consistency in names, numbers, and formatting. Once satisfied, export in the format you need: SRT for captions, TXT or DOC for script, or JSON if metadata is required. Make sure timestamps align if you're burning captions into video. If low-confidence segments persist, rerun the engine with different settings or re-record the passage. That one targeted fix often saves hours. Keep a backup of both audio and final transcript.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.